Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc60 T8 PHEV ENS 5-door Auto in stylish grey exterior colour. This versatile estate Jeep features a powerful 2-litre engine with petrol, plug-in, hybrid electric fuel type and automatic transmission. Loaded with comfort and safety features including air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking and more. The vehicle also boasts interior luxury trim, LED lights, smart card entry and a power boot close. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specified servicing and comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this Volvo. For more information on this exceptional vehicle, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today. Drive in style and safety with the Volvo XC60 T8 PHEV ENS.